Hey, this is Mike with M Squared Enjoying the Now. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do one of the necessary evils in an RV, and that's cleaning your black tanks out. A lot of people out there, we watched a lot of videos and stuff, went through the book for the RV on cleaning your black tanks out. A lot of people say throw a bunch of ice down the crapper, drive around, that'll clean everything off, and the sensors. We really don't worry about the sensors. We have two 45-gallon black tanks, so we can go for quite a while, 2 weeks easy, and not have to worry about the black tanks. Well, eventually stuff gets built up in there, especially if you have the dreaded hoop pyramid. But I'm going to show you a good way to do it, not the improper way. People dumping bleach, laundry soap, Tide Pods. You got to remember, you need that enzymes and that bacteria in there to eat the remains out and liquefy everything. We do use Happy Camper, works really good. Never had a smell in there, but eventually you're going to have to flush your tanks out because stuff does build up in there. It'll clog the gate valves. So I am going to show you the proper way how to do it. What I'm going to do, I already have the hose hooked up, so you don't have to worry about watching me do that. You can watch thousands, millions of videos on how to hook your sewer hose up. I think the most effective way to do it is just like washing your hands. So when you wash your hands and do it effectively, obviously you can hopefully use soap, but if you don't have soap, what do you use? You want to use hot water. That'll get the majority of the stuff off your hands. Even when you do dishes, you don't wash your dishes in cold water because the grease will get re-solidify. That's no good. So why not use hot water? Well, I don't want to boil a bunch of water on the stove and dump it down the crapper. And so what I'm going to do is hook up a hose. I have a dedicated hose for my flush. So I'm going to hook that directly up to my hot water heater. And I know how many gallons per minute come out of there, so just calculate up to 45 gallons. I'll know how long to let it run, let the hot water get in there, and then flush it. Do that hopefully only a couple times and it should run clear. So I just emptied the black tanks. Now I'm going to close the valves and flush my front one out. So I know 5-gallon bucket was filled in 3 minutes 17 seconds. So I am going to let the hot water run for 14 minutes and then flush it again. Okay, and to recap, cleaning your black tanks out, rinsing them out. First part is drain your black tanks and then hook up your outside shower to your garden hose. And we have 2 black tanks, so just hook up the garden hose to either one. I let my hot water run for 14 minutes, shut it off, rinsed the tank out, flushed it. Almost right at the end it was completely clear, so I did it a second time. Ran perfectly clear. Nothing came out, just clean water, and that's it. Do both tanks and you're good to go. Then once that's done, I'll put a gallon or 2 of water down each toilet with some Happy Camper, and we're good to go for, I don't know, another month or 2 before I rinse them out again. So then you're all done. You don't need to put Tide Pods down there, bleach, soap, buckets of ice. It's a lot easier, a lot cheaper. Use your own systems you have, use clean hot water, and that's it. Questions or comments, just leave them down below and we'll get right back to you.